Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. Today we're making kelewele. Kelewele is fried, ripe plantains that has been spiced up with ginger, garlic, pepper, and salt. I'm starting off with three ripe plantains. You can get this from any grocery store. This is kelewele mix that you can find at the African market or the Asian market or international market. I'm going to use some salt. Also, I'm going to use ginger. I've already grounded a whole bunch. I'm going to use just a little bit. And I'm also going to use ground red pepper. So there you have it. That's just what it is. It's a kelewele. So I'm going to use a tablespoon or two for the red pepper. And I'm going to use that for our kelewele. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, peel, and dice up our um plantain. Then I'm gonna add all our spices to it. If you do not have the kelewele mix, that's okay. You could just use pepper. Uh, you could just use your pepper, your ginger, and your salt and your garlic. So it's okay if you don't have the kelewele mix, but if you have it, it's good to use as well. So here we go. I'm going to dice it up and we're gonna mix all our seasoning and spices to it. We're just gonna deep fry. This goes really well with peanuts. This is a really nice street food in Ghana that we enjoy. So I hope you can try it and I hope you're gonna like it. You can adjust this how spicy you want it. You can have it mild or you can have it really super hot. Okay, so you can try it. So here is my diced or cut ripe plantains. I'm going to add my spices and I'm going to deep fry. Stay put. So at this time, I'm going to add my kelewele mix. If you don't have kelewele mix, it's okay. I'm going to take 2 scoops of this and I'm going to add it to a fourth cup of water before I add it to my plantains. So you can do that. If you don't have this, that's okay. After that, you're going to let your kelewele sit for about 30 minutes before you fry. So we're gonna mix it up really nice. And then what we're gonna do after we mix it up is we're gonna cover it up and let it sit for about 30 minutes before we fry. So it's been about 30 minutes. It's time to fry. Go ahead and deep fry your kelewele, and that will be it. So our kelewele has cooked beautifully. It's fried for about 6 to 7 minutes, I believe. And so we're ready to take it out. It is delicious. It's spicy. You could eat it with peanuts or you could eat it by itself. I thank you for watching, for stopping by. I hope you're staying safe. I will see you next time. Until then, enjoy and bon appetit. But most importantly, I want you to try this. See you later. Bon appetit. Enjoy.